A solution of an inequality is any value that makes the inequality true. So the set of all solutions of an inequality is called a solution set. To determine if a number is a solution to an inequality, there are two things you could try. So you can either substitute the number for the variable in the inequality. If it makes a true statement, it's a solution. Or you can see if the number is in the shaded part of a graph of the inequality, so the direction that the arrow is facing. So I'm going to show you both ways. So here we have h plus 2 is less than or equal to negative 2. So I know that I need to subtract 2 on both sides. I have h is less than or equal to negative 2 minus 2, which is negative 4. So this is my answer. H is less than or equal to negative 4. I want to circle the solutions that make this statement true. So to check that by substituting, if I were to say h is 3, I would plug in 3 where h is. So 3 is less than or equal to negative 4. I know 3 is not less than negative 4. It's not equal to negative 4. So 3 cannot be a solution. That would not make the statement true. Now we're going to try with 6. So 6 less than or equal to negative 4. 6 is greater than 4. It's also not equal to negative 4. So that is not a solution. And so I would just keep going through that. I know 9 is also not a solution. 12 would not be a solution. Now I have negative 1. So I have negative 1 is less than or equal to negative 4. Negative 1 is not a smaller number than negative 4. It's also not equal to negative 4. So that's also not a solution. Next, we have negative 4. So I'm going to plug in negative 4 is less than or equal to negative 4. It's not less than negative 4, but it is equal to negative 4. So that means this is a solution. I know 4 would not be a solution. 5 would not be a solution. 0 is not a solution, so I'm going to try negative 6. So we have negative 6 is less than or equal to negative 4. Negative 6 is a smaller number than negative 4, so I'm going to go ahead and circle negative 6 as a solution. So that would be substituting to solve. If I were to try to solve using a number line, so I'm just going to draw a small number line here. We're going to put 0, we're going to put negative 4, positive 4, let's go with 8, and then negative 8. So let's say this is our number line. If I were to plot that on the graph, I would start at negative 4, which is here. It's going to be a closed circle. And then I know that I need numbers that are less than or equal to negative 4. So that would be going to the left on my number line. So that means any number that would be to the left of negative 4 on the number line would be a solution. So negative 4 is on our dot. Negative 6 would be here, so that's going in the correct direction of the number line or the arrow on the number line. And then all of the other numbers that we had here, so 3, 6, 9, 12, negative 1, 4, 5, 0, those are all going the opposite direction of my arrow. So that's not in the shaded region. So those would not be solutions. So those are the two ways to solve for a solution of an inequality.